Am I doing it right?
What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and I am back with another video. This is probably going to be posted late, but this is February, Valentine's Day. Y'all know, best time of the month, best day of the month, best, Black History. But let's get straight into the video. Y'all can see my head. I'm trying to braid it the best I can with these nails on. It's hard, but we're going to be installing a wig. Might have a photo shoot, might get our makeup done, or we might do it ourselves. But we gotta handle car stuff as well. So y'all just gonna be with me today, and we gonna be fly. I might do my own photo shoot, but we gonna see.
Y'all, I went in the hair store. I'm about to install a wig. This is what I got. Crazy, right? But I went and bought some of this. They only had Evan. I know we're not using them no more, but they only had this in the hair store. It's the only thing left on the stock. So we're about to try to see if we can install a wig, and hopefully we install it good because this wig done been dyed, plucked. It's pretty. So hopefully I don't mess it up. Okay, y'all, so this is what I have so far. Am I doing it right? What is this? I think I did pretty good. So now we're about to get to the wig. I might not flat iron it and stuff until later, but I might. So we gonna see. This is the wig that I'm about to be installing. Color my wig. Look, literally overplucked my wig like crazy. What is this? I have a whole patch in my head. We're gonna try to go in with some getting this, but I don't have no hair right there. Tripping. She like overplucks me like crazy. She overplucks my wig like crazy. I have a whole patch in the middle of my wig. It dry fast as heck. I'm not gonna put it on too many layers because I don't want it too low. So far, she overplucked the hell out of my middle. The hell out of my middle. Over bleached the hell out of my middle. But the color is good. Ooh. I just want a rough neck on the tongue.
Keep sneezing and my tires got delayed, so I'm a little bit like, whatever, but I'm not gonna let it ruin my day. We're doing the edges. She overplucks me, but probably still gonna need some touch-ups at the end, but